Oh. Go. Good, you're going forward. Good guy.
Look, it lost her pocket. Kitty Fisher found it. Bet my money on Bobtail's neck. Somebody bet on the bay.
He found a piece of candy on the floor.
Are you gonna eat that candy?
He got off his bike to get it.
No, it goes here.
Oh, you sure? Good boy.
It tastes like dog food.
Yummy.
Umami. Here, you need a little bit of help with this. There.
Where are you going? Where are you going? You're a silly kid.
Silly.
You are silly. Yes, you are. Where are you going?
I'm out of here.
Watch your fingers. Hey. Hey. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Huh? Are you dancing? Are you playing, baby? What's that, your truck? Where's your books? There's your bike. Are you pooping? Are you getting it? You're a silly kid. Where are you? Hi. What are you doing, huh? You sound like you just went to the bathroom. Hey, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give Mom a kiss. Oh, no, you're not going to get in there. Uh-oh. Get out of that. Hey, you get out of there. Look, give Mama a kiss. Give Mama a kiss. Oh, you sweet kid. Let's go play. Let's go play. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, Twink. Come on. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You gonna play? Okay. Come on. Love you, Tinky Butt.